Welcome to an exploration of the cutting-edge world where artificial intelligence meets military might. In this documentary, we delve into the transformative role of AI in modern defense systems, a journey that spans from the skies to the depths of the ocean and even into the vastness of space. Our story begins with a look back at the historical context of AI in military applications, setting the stage for the revolutionary changes we witness today. In the early days, military operations relied heavily on human intuition and manual processes. But as technology advanced, so did the need for more sophisticated systems. Enter AI, a game changer that has redefined the landscape of military strategy and operations. Today, AI-driven autonomous systems and robotics are at the forefront of this transformation. Consider the unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, which have become synonymous with modern warfare. These AI-powered drones are not just for surveillance and reconnaissance. They are now integral to combat missions, providing real-time data and executing tasks that once required human pilots. On the ground and in the sea, AI-driven vehicles patrol and transport, offering logistical support in hazardous environments without risking human lives. As we move into the realm of surveillance and reconnaissance, AI-enhanced imagery and video analysis have become indispensable. Facial recognition and behavioral analysis technologies allow for unprecedented levels of monitoring and intelligence gathering, providing military professionals with the insights needed to make informed decisions. In the digital battlefield, cybersecurity is paramount. AI-powered defense mechanisms are crucial in protecting sensitive information and infrastructure from cyber threats. Offensive cyber capabilities, on the other hand, leverage AI to identify and exploit vulnerabilities in adversary systems, showcasing the dual nature of AI in cybersecurity. Decision support systems have also seen a significant boost from AI technologies. From strategic planning to tactical decision-making, AI aids military leaders in navigating complex scenarios. Wargaming and simulations powered by AI allow for the testing of various strategies, assessing their effectiveness in multi-domain operations. Logistics and supply chain management are other areas where AI has made a substantial impact. Predictive maintenance technologies help anticipate equipment failures, reducing downtime and enhancing operational readiness. AI optimizes supply chains, ensuring that resources are efficiently allocated and utilized. In the arena of electronic warfare, AI systems are employed to manage jamming and deception tactics. By detecting enemy radar signals and launching deceptive countermeasures, AI plays a crucial role in maintaining the upper hand in electronic warfare. The final frontier, space, is not exempt from AI's influence. Satellite surveillance and data processing are enhanced by AI, providing critical information for military operations. Autonomous satellites, equipped with AI, operate independently, offering new possibilities for space-based defense strategies. Human augmentation is yet another fascinating application of AI in the military. Enhanced soldier capabilities through exoskeletons and AI-assisted devices are pushing the boundaries of human performance, allowing soldiers to carry out missions with greater efficiency and safety. In missile and air defense, AI is revolutionizing threat detection and interception. Automated air defense systems, powered by AI, enhance radar capabilities, enabling the automatic detection and neutralization of incoming aerial threats. However, with these advancements come significant ethical considerations and challenges. The autonomy in lethal decision-making raises questions about accountability and the moral implications of AI in warfare. Moreover, the global AI arms race is a pressing concern, as nations compete to develop more advanced military AI technologies. As we conclude our exploration, we reflect on the delicate balance between innovation and ethical responsibility. The integration of AI in military operations offers strategic advantages, but it also demands careful consideration of the potential risks and ethical dilemmas. The future of AI in defense is both promising and challenging, and it is up to policymakers, military professionals, and technology enthusiasts to navigate this complex landscape responsibly. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of AI in military and defense systems. We hope this documentary has provided valuable insights into the profound impact of AI on modern warfare and the critical issues that lie ahead. Stay informed, stay engaged, and continue to explore the possibilities of AI in shaping our future.